wait. This one money 589. After this one 471. Check it here, please.
Kalau beratnya 78, Silintang pakai apa ya? S atau M?
Apa?
Medium.
Medium aja M.
This medium. No, we don't have. Check for you, 1 minute.
Okay.
This one oversize.
487 euro berapa? Blueberry banget.
1 minute.
487.
Ya. All discount.
Depannya kayak mana, Kak? Oh,
Itu nggak sih buat taruh laptop, Cong?
Excuse me. And löve back. Löve.
Itu nggak? Tapi kamu nggak pantas ke toko
iya nggak pantas, Kak.
Let's check. I go there.
Okay.
Ini keren deh.
Burak,
Ya, ini bagus.
müsait misin?
This is for the woman.
Yes.
Ini bagus.
Cakep.
Pakai L. Check.
Pakai celana pendek, cecong.
Iya.
Nengkrong, legging, overoy.
Buat ke airport coba. Gue mau ini. Gue mau ini itu. Do you have a extra small size?
It's a small. Checking for you.
This is the big for me.
Yes, this one large.
Bedaan deh kayaknya. Ini celananya kayaknya.
Yes, I have it small.
Extra small or small?
Extra small.
Ya, extra small. Kayaknya beli atasannya aja deh ya.
Iya, atasannya aja, Kak. Bawahnya kan bisa pakai legging sama celana pendek.
Yes, here.
Extra small?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, no problem. Eh?
Bagus.
I take this one?
Okay. This one?
No, without.
Okay.
Ini apa nih? This. Gue lagi demen sama yang namanya topi. This is all size?
Yes.
Okay.
This size okay.
How much for the price?
Come here, check it for you.
Let's check. 210 euro.
210.000.
Kenapa harus pakai euro ya? Buat si Loli kali ya?
Iya, loli. Berapa?
400, dari 400 jadi 300.
Buat dua-duanya.
Excuse me. This one.
For the man.
This one woman.
Bagus gak sih?
Buat loli kan?
Heeh.
Iya.
Berapa?
Tapi dia badannya apa black?
Jadi black aja lah.
Kayaknya hitam aja.
Nah,
Iya, kayaknya hitam aja.
jadi jauh lebih kelihatan lebih sih.
Small ya?
Iya,
M.
small. Enggak, celananya M aja, Kak. Loli tuh ini gede loh.
Apanya?
Apa?
Tapi M-nya gede loh.
Ah, nggak tahu deh. Coba.
Nih.
Oh, gede deh. Iya, iya, L aja, S aja.
Cukup lah ya.
Black atau ini?
Tadi pas lu pakai ini bagus.
Yes, I have.
Okay, I take this
This one black?
color, this color only,
Okay. Black one?
with the long pant,
Pants, okay.
small also.
Okay.
Orang ya. Kenapa?
Di Prada, Dior, Hermes ya.
Iya. Ini biasa aja tahu, ini mah yang murahnya. Kecuali jam tangan, gelang.
Tuh. Aku kan itu bagus.
Ini bukan buat ke pantai ya?
Iya sih. Iya sih. Tapi gitu bagus nah. Nah.
Bagus nggak?
Bagus. Udah gitu aja nggak apa-apa kak.
Nggak apa-apa, sampai di sini.
Nggak apa-apa.
Pakai aja.
Do I look beautiful with this hat?
Nice,
Okay.
Nice.
Super.
Okay, can you
Yeah.
open it?
Yeah, you vomit. Lady, 1,596 euros.
Berapa sih?
1.500.
Iya bayar. Thank you. Mereknya apa tuh? CB. CB itu keluaran mana deh? Dari rotan. Dari rotan akar pun jadi loh ini.
You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye.
Indonesia.
Iya.
Bye bye.
Nih rokok nih.
Cuma 20 euro. Minuman-minuman begini.
Enggak, harus cari yang enak minumannya.
Cuma 360.000 coy. Yang recommended.
Yuk coba tanya. Recommended
The best
wine
one.
that I have to buy.
Hello.
Hi.
How can
I
I help
want
you?
to buy some wine. Can you give me
Some suggestion.
suggestion?
Of course.
Which
Would you like
best one?
French, Italian, Turkish?
Italian
There is some Italian.
or French?
There's some Italian for you over here. What kind of wine you like?
Red wine.
Red wine.
Yeah.
So you like strong wines, full body, not very strong things. You like strong. Okay, there's Barolo choices over here. That one is a kind of full-bodied and intense Italian wine, I can say. The region is Barolo and the grape Nebbiolo. It's very popular thing in the world. And there is Amarone over here. This is very intense Italian wine. It has 100%, 15% alcohol, and the color is very dark, I can say. And
Oh, the
taste very strong and very intense. You can feel when you drink it. Red berry is like this, but it's very close thing, I can say.
Okay, give it a medium.
Okay, medium body. There is some Chianti choices for Brunello di Montalcino. Yeah, you can say they're just a little bit medium things.
Which one is it's a good one?
Yeah, Chianti Classico is the good one. Barolo di Montalcino is a special one. Actually, they are using the Italian grape inside as well.
Okay,
It's Sangiovese. Very thick.
thank you.
This too. Can I put this to the bottles? Here. Let me bring a basket if you want. It's with you.
The big one.
The other side.
Kecil.
Arkanan demen banget nih. baby, kayak babi katanya. Babi. Bilangnya babi. The baby. Ini kurang gede ya? Yang gede tuh.
Yang gede. Ini lebih.
Ini ngeri banget.
Kayak caki.
Kayak caki cuy.
Itu juga gede tuh.
Oh, that's Lego. It's difficult to play.
Sorry.
My son is already have, but I took this one.
Okay. Iya, warnanya enggak pengen. Ini kayak gini lagi. Gini.
Apa kayak gini?
Putih.
Ini enggak?
Iya.
Enggak.
Iya, benar.
Enggak, jadi dia minta es yang small.
Ini bajunya cantik deh. Lo 5 pakai kayak gini juga bagus, Sam.
Enggak, ini buat kamu enggak.
Buat siapa?
Buat.
Ya.
Kecil banget.
Ya itu bagus lah.
Buat kebalik dong.
Kayak tas ya.
Iya benar.
Gimana sih?
Iya, ya cukup benar kan rumah badannya tini.
Ini buat ini.
Iya itu.
Ini yang small. You have a small size?
It's small size, standard.
Okay.
Iya, karena
Take
dia
this
pakai.
one. This is extra small.
That one
So, can I see?
is X small.
Can I check for the?
You wanna for you or gift?
For me. For me to go to beach. Cukup nggak sih? Cukup ya? Extra small or small ya? Small. Really?
What you have, lady?
The big boobs.
Or X small.
Okay, small. Thank you. Now, I take this one and then, okay. Sampai ketemu di next trip berikutnya. Bye.